Hey everyone, and welcome to the video. Today I'm going to be unboxing this very special package which has arrived all the way from Paris. I'm going to be showing you what's inside. We've got some really cool, really unique frames that I can't wait to show you. So let's get started. So inside this box, we've got some cases. These are cases for industrial frames, and you'll see why we need cases this shape shortly. We've also got these really premium feeling cases, or boxes I should say, which have cases inside. We'll come back to that as well. Two of those. And a bunch of industrial cleaning cloths to go with those cases over here. Okay, nothing too amazing so far, but I think the magic is inside this white package. Oh wow. I guarantee you will not have seen glasses like this before. So first off, we've got these brand new stone frames from Lucas de Stijl. These are extraordinary. I have never seen glasses with this finish before. You can see the beautiful texture and coloration of the stone. It's absolutely incredible. And the way they catch the light, I can see sparkles. I can see like the frame is glistening in the light. You've got the natural minerals from the stone which actually reflect in the light in a really unique and beautiful way. Oh wow, let's see how they look on. I think this is a unisex style, but the shape is probably more masculine. Really cool frame. They feel amazing to wear as well. You might be surprised, but the stone is not heavy because it's actually a thin veneer of stone which is placed on the front and on the arms. And inside the frame is actually made from leather, which itself is quite lightweight. Inside of that, we've got a stainless steel core which gives them some robustness and some flexibility. I'm amazed by those. They're actually better in person than in the picture that I saw of them. This year, I've not been able to go traveling. Usually I'll be going to Paris and Milan to do the frame buying. So we've been doing that over Zoom or Skype. And as such, I've not seen or touched these frames before, but they're certainly living up to my expectations. So this is very definitely a ladies' frame. And this has natural leather with stitching along the front and on the arms. And again, something unlike any other glasses I've seen before. They just scream luxury. They really stand out a mile. I think anybody wearing those, it's going to be like, you're going to get people coming to you and saying, oh my God, what are those glasses? I've never seen a frame like that before, and I guess if I've not seen it, then you won't have either. That is just stunning. So these two pieces are the premium frames that Lucas de Stijl make in Paris. But they also make a more sporty, more affordable collection of glasses, which are called industrial frames. And we've got 4 of those to unpack as well. So what characterizes industrial frames is the fact that they're actually made from one piece of surgical steel. That means no screws, no springs, nothing to come loose or break, no solder joints in the frame either. Even where the pad arms come in here, that's all one clean piece of steel. So it's a lot more robust, a lot more solid than your average frames where this piece is soldered on afterwards. And they feature EcoGum rubber on the sides, which is a really soft, but also quite grippy rubber material. So even though these aren't adjusted behind your ears, even though they don't get tightened behind the ears, they will never ever come off. They're really secure and solid on my face. They feel great and very, very good for sport as well. I also tend to recommend these kind of frames for people who wear a motorcycling helmet because the arms tend to go in under the helmet really well. So this is the same model, but in a different colour. Now, every industrial frame is actually made in either black or the original steel colour. And you can actually choose any colour you like for the sides. So this one has the neon orange. The first pair had the white. And you can see just how different these look, even though they're actually the same frames, because of the difference in colour. Again, so comfortable. They feel like you're not wearing glasses. Oh, we've actually got 5 pairs in here, even better. So this has been one of the most popular shapes in the industrial collection. I've seen it worn by men and ladies, whereas those first 2 were definitely more men's shapes, and particularly because of the size. But this is a very good size for most people, actually. It's quite an unusual, quite quirky shape. To me, it's very Scandinavian, if that makes sense. I think the design of it is really nice, and I particularly like this colour. This is the colour I would choose, which is the kind of khaki olive green. Really, really like that one. This has been the piece that I've been most excited to unpack, even more so than the leather and stone frames, because this one's actually been made exclusively for our client. So I mentioned earlier that industrial frames come in either black or silver, but we had a customer who has a pair already, in this shape, I believe, and he wanted the same, but in gold. So the great thing with brands like Lucas de Stijl, who hand make their glasses, is that almost anything is possible. I reached out to Buba, who's in charge of exports for Lucas de Stijl, and I asked him, could we make a one-off piece in a gold finish? And the answer was yes. So these are the industrial frames in gold. I understand this is the first time it's ever been done, so this is a one of a kind, the only one in the world, I believe, and you can see how this looks. We've matched this with the white side, which I think really brings out the gold a little bit better. They're just stunning, they're beautiful, and I really hope the customer will like them. I'm sure he will. Last of all, this piece from the industrial collection features the black with light grey sides, and this one is really good if you're into sport. I've recommended this a lot with photochromic lenses because of the size of the lenses. When they activate in the sun, they'll actually protect your eyes just as much as sunglasses. Particularly, we do recommend this model for golf because it gives really panoramic vision when you're on the golf course, and it also gives quite unrestricted vision when you're looking down to address the ball. But it could also be worn as an everyday frame. It's quite an oversized shape, but as we've talked about recently, that's quite in fashion at the moment. So I hope you've really enjoyed this unboxing experience. First time I think that we've done a video like this, so please leave your feedback in the comments below. I'd really appreciate it. If you have enjoyed the video, give us a like. It really helps keep us feeling positive in these weird COVID times. Please also subscribe to the channel because it really does help us grow, and I'm really passionate about what we do, and I want to keep the YouTube channel growing, and hopefully you guys will stay tuned for more videos. Thanks a lot, and I'll see you soon. Have a great day. Bye-bye.